An educational tour visit of the government officials of Finland, headed by the Honorable Minister of Employment of Finland. So they are coming here. Finland is in need right now of workers, and they are opening their market up in the Philippines. So University of Perpetual Help is very happy to showcase what the Philippines can offer. So we will show them healthcare, mga nurses, at iba-iba pong medical fields. Naghahanap din po sila sa IT, sa hotel and hospitality. Naghahanap din po sila sa mga construction, and iba-ibang type po ng fields. Halos lahat po ay happy to work in Finland.
Hindi lamang sa Pilipino, pati yung mga student natin po dito.
Usapan po namin ngayon kung magkakaroon po ba ng opportunity na magkaroon din ng exchange programs with the universities in Finland, ang ating mga estudyante. Para naman po sa trabaho, ang hinahanap po nila is usually at least 1 to 2 years working experience. Graduates po natin, at hindi lang po graduates, pati po ang ibang mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas na gusto po magtrabaho sa Pilipinas.
Then magkakaroon po tayo dito.
Now po, ang Perpetual Health Placement po kasi, which is also part of the University of Perpetual Health, has already been one of the companies that have been chosen by the Finland Committee. So,
kaya mas malaking bagay po na
ang opportunity sa Finland dahil po maganda po ang salaries po sa Finland. Napakataas po ng salaries nila at napakababait po ng mga taga-Finland. So, isa po sila sa happiest, voted happiest country on earth for the past 7 years. So, sana po ay magkaroon
but yun po sa agencies
na makapagpadala na po tayo ng ating mga Filipino workers.
So malaking benefits ito, sir, doon sa mga newly graduate ng Perpetual?
Well, ang hinahanap po nila ngayon para at least may 1 to 2 years working experience.
Okay.
So, para po sa mga past graduates natin at sa mga future graduates po.
Okay.
Thank you.
The Philippines has been declared as the second happiest country in Southeast Asia. I hope that our guests agree with this, judging from the Filipinos' smiling faces, sunny disposition, and trademark Filipino hospitality that they have seen and experienced. So, organization, and when I say that today is a milestone for both sides. I hope that this can be the beginning of getting to know what our agency, university, and hospital have to offer. There is much that we can benefit from what we have started today, and our organization is committed to work.
Sabayan niyo sila. That's it. Very good. The guest book after the photo opportunity. Okay? So the rest of the delegates will have a new photo opportunity. They request the group delegates and our perpetual team to please stand up. Alright, we have a conclusion now. Okay, that is shown now. Photo also emergency. Okay, so this time video. Okay, after the counting 1, 2, 3, say Mabuhay. Ready? Practice tape. 1, 2, 3, go! Everyone. Alright, thank you so much.
Additional training required, for example, in nursing. Finland is known for its good educational system, and of course we also use those skills when we acquire talent and attract talent from foreign countries.
Are encouraged to work there. Now, Ma'am, could you tell us what are the benefits of Filipino workers now in Finland, or those who want to work in Finland?
Of course, also we've recognized through studies that international talent also brings value to the competencies, bringing the knowledge of the vibrant business markets here in Asia. So we can see also clearly that working communities where we have international talent are actually more innovative, more creative, and we